Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, compass, fog lights, CD player, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, speed control, front wheel independent suspension. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.